Hi guys, today in this topic we know about what is sonotubes and their standard size. Earlier video you are familiar with the term sonotubes. First we start understand about what is sonotubes. Sonotubes is a cardboard materials used for pouring concrete, pouring concrete for the casting of solid concrete pillar below the grounds and above the grounds and for footings. It means the sonotubes is made of cardboard material that can be easily biodegradable, in which the concrete material is poured to cast the solid concrete pillars and footings. And this can be comes in various sizes, and the other name of sonotubes is also horn tube and Quik-tube. The Quik-tube term is brand name of Quikrete concrete, and the form tube is the brand name of Sakrete concrete. Now come to the point. What is the standard size of sonotubes? The sonotubes comes in cylindrical shape. This one is cylindrical shape. The first you can dig out soils and making hole. Suppose this is your hole below the ground. Holes below the ground, and the standard one sonotubes placed inside it, and the 6-inch bottom of these holes can be filled with crushed stone. This can be filled with 6 inches thick of sorry uh, 6 inches thick of crushed stone for proper solid base and for drainage, and the remaining part of these holes can be filled with backfill dirt. This is backfill dirt, and this one is your sonotubes in which the concrete can be poured, and this one is diameter, and this one is also diameter, and this one is their height, and this one is height, and this one is their diameter of sonotubes. And what is the standard size of sonotubes? And the height is about 4 foot, and their diameter can be range from 8 inches, 10 inches, 12 inches, it can be 14 inches, 16 inches, and 18 inches. It means their diameter can be used. It can be depend on what the size of pillars. For 8-inch size of pillar, you will need about 8-inch sonotubes, and for 10-inch pillar size, you need about 10-inch diameter of sonotubes. And what is the standard size of sonotubes? It is most common is 12-inch diameter, and height is 4 foot, and this can be used for walls, patio, and foundation, columns, pillars, and for your fencing post. Fencing post. If you want to fence the set the post, the wood post simply insert in this one, this line.